Today, let us discuss about coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, we mainly discuss about number one is distance formula. Second one is section formula. And third is area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula. Now discuss about distance formula. Distance formula. In the distance formula, you see A is a one point, that is one coordinate, and B is another coordinate. The A coordinate can be written as x1, y1, and coordinate B can be written as x2, y2. Then the distance formula can be written as AB, that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, second section formula. Section formula. You see, again, this is point A in a space, and one more point, this is the point B. Its coordinates, A coordinates are x1, y1, and B coordinates are x2, y2. These two are divided in the ratio of, you see, here one more point, this is the point P. Its coordinates are x comma y. This point P divides AB in the ratio of m1 and m2. Now, we write the section formula P of x comma y, that is equal to, you see, m2 into x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2, comma, again m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. That is, the x coordinates is belongs to this first coordinate, and y coordinates is belongs to this neighboring coordinate. Let us discuss about the area of triangle formula in coordinate geometry. That can be written as, if the triangle ABC, A, B, C, the coordinate of A are x1, y1, coordinate of B are x2, y2, and coordinate C are x3, y3. Now, the area of triangle can be written as area of triangle ABC, that is equal to, you see, we know that the formula half into, first of all we write x comma y into y, next plus x bracket y minus y plus x bracket y minus y. Finish it. Now you see, now we put here numbers 1, 2, 3. Again, here if you are put the 2, after 2 is 3 and 1. Then if you are 3, this is 1 and 2. This is used for finding the area of a triangle. Now, we discuss one by one some problems related to coordinate geometry. So, in case of distance formula and section formula and area of triangle, let us discuss one by one. You see the problem. The distance of a point x comma y from the origin is dash. In this case, you see, this is a coordinate axis x, y. Here a point. This point coordinate can be represented as x comma y. This is the origin. So the coordinate of the origin is 0 comma 0. We know the formula of a distance between these 2 points. The distance formula is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then d equals square root of, you see, this is called as x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now we put the values in this equation. So x2 can be written as x minus x1. Instead of x1 we write 0 whole square plus y2 can be written as y, and y1, instead of y1 we write 0 whole square. Then the equation becomes square root of x minus 0 is x whole square plus y minus 0 is y whole square. Now this can also be written as d is equal to x square plus y square. This is the formula. The distance of a point x comma y from the origin is square root of x square plus y square. Midpoint formula in a coordinate geometry. So, if we solve or we find the midpoint formula by using section formula. Before that, we know this. You see, this is the point A or coordinate A, and this is coordinate B, and here its coordinates are x1, y1, its coordinates are x2, y2. Then put a point on this line. This is the point P. It is middle of the AB. Its coordinates are x comma y. Now you see, we know the section formula. Here m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is also is equal to 1. That is exactly at the mid of the AB line. Now the section formula, P of x comma y, that is equal to, the x coordinates are m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now instead of m1 and m2 we write 1. Then this equation, whole equation becomes, you see, m1 means, m2 means 1 x1 plus 1 into x2 divided by 1 plus 1, comma 1 y1 plus 1 into y2 divided by 1 plus 1. Now again x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula, P of xy. If the point P at the middle of this line, exactly middle of this line, then the equation becomes x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2.